Hey guys, what's up? How's trading? It's summertime. A lot of you are probably on vacation or you haven't been watching your charts for a while. But I've been here, I've been trading this channel on the Aussie. It's been breaking, so break after break. It's been really great, very good asset for trading. So my last trade, it happened yesterday. I trade this breakout here, from here to here, and then I took profit. I got out, it retraced back. That was the only trade I did yesterday, but you see it's been continuing, it's been making more and more breaks, so very good asset. But now I'm watching, I want to have a long-term target in case this asset continues down. If you look at it, looks like it wants to leave the channel now. So you see how it made a dip, it came back, it's now inside the channel again. The channel is really hard to it could be hard to draw, because look at the lows. If you adjust it to these lows and you skip this one, you see price is kind of struggling to get above it right now, and you see this huge drop there. So I mean, we could place it here. If you zoom out, you see it goes all the way back up right from here, and you got this dip. This is the only one that is kind of outside, except for these, of course. So regardless, we can remove the other lines. Right now I'm not sure we need this upper line either, so we can remove all those. So what we have to think about is that this level seems to be the new resistance. So if price comes back up, then we're gonna redraw this upper channel. Okay, so if price comes back up there, redraw that, because price might move to it again. But right now it looks very bearish. So this is what I'm going to talk about just real quick here on the monthly charts. Have it already set up here. You see this huge candle here, also good bounce here, here, also here and here. So this looks like a target, but also pay attention to this low here, this candle, right? You see price is kind of resting here right now, struggling. If this is broken, Aussie could go all the way down here for the next support. So this is very long term. So if you do trade this, trade step by step, get out at every support, and then move your stop loss lower in the money, so you get protection. So that's how I would trade it. I would set up a line here now. You see this bounce there, right? And then this support, resistance support, right? So if this breaks, I'm gonna go short with the Aussie. I've been short from here, from the break of the trend line, but step by step. So I take profit or move down my stop loss and then take profit. So right now I'm waiting for this level to break. And remember, this is the monthly and weekly, so we want at least daily candles, at least 1 or 2 daily candles to close below here before we take it. Or if you take it right after a daily candle, or if you do shorter time frames and enter early, then make sure you got a stop loss. Okay, make sure you got a stop loss right above the support line, because it's a possibility that price comes back up again. Take out your stop loss and then move down, so make sure you have a good stop loss. But risk to reward should be very good, because look at the distance. It's a huge distance, so reward is very good and your risk would be smaller. Even if your stop loss is pretty high up, still you see, so huge profit versus the risk, even if your stop loss is here or right here. So risk to reward is good. Pattern still bearish. Of course it could retrace again before this happens, so this is why it's important to wait for a real break before you get in. So don't enter prematurely. Like I said, it could retrace back up again, and this has been the pattern for Aussie. Look here, so it drops for 1, 2, 3 candles, retraces 1, 2, 3. What do we expect? We expect probably the pattern repetition, which is a few candles up. Okay, so this could very well happen now. Look at the candles again. You got 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, and then bounce. So we got 3 candles. Maybe the next one is also bearish, and then we get a retracement to this trend line again. So be careful with that. Adjust your trend line here on the daily charts, connected to the tops here, the lower highs, and then be careful. And again, if this trend line is broken, and it's possible price will retrace all the way back up here. So now you know what to do. You have a plan, you have the direction, you have the target for upper movements and for lower movements. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video and it helps you trade Aussie.